Okay, for the last topic is topic 5, professional ethics. As the software engineer for the MySejahtera apps, I added to the SCM IEE Code of Ethics based on the 4 principles. First is public. I must prioritize the nation healthy over any profit. If there is a bug, I must fix it immediately for public safety. Okay, second is client and employer. I must protect the Ministry of Health data, but I must refuse any order to use that data illegally. For the third is product. I must ensure the app is rigorously tested so the risk status algorithm is accurate and does not wrongly penalize users. Okay, for the fourth is judgment. I must maintain technical integrity and not bow to political pressure to launch an unfinished apps. Thank you.